Color pen name: brown color, black color, pink color, sky blue color, orange color, yellow color, light green color. Today we learn alphabet. Sky blue color: A. A for apple. A for apple. Orange color: B. B. B for basket. B for basket. Pink color: C. C for cow. C for cow. Yellow color: D. D. D for doll. D for doll. Light green color: E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Brown color: F. F. F for flower. F for flower.